Before someone reads your headline, before they hear your voice, before they hear your story, your logo already told them what level your brand is. And in 3 seconds, they decide, do you deserve their time or no? And here is the painful part. Most founders lose trust in these 3 seconds. They even know that. A strong product, a strong solution, years of effort. But the first visual handshake send a different message. And people decide really fast, this brand is not for me. Today, I want to change this moment for you. Because once you understand what is really happening inside the viewer mind, everything about your brand will make more sense. If you are a founder and feel your product is undervalued, this video for you. My name is Peter Milad. I am the only brand strategist and logo designer who is using the logo as a visual handshake for the brand to earn trust. Let's start with knowing what's happening in the viewer's brain in the first 3 seconds. When someone sees your logo, the brain is not trying to understand you. It's trying to protect them. Fast ones, emotional ones, survival. Their brain looks for 3 answers. Does this look safe? Does this look serious? Do these people care? If the feeling is good, attention opens. If their feeling is off, attention closes really fast and move to the next brand without even knowing why. It is just in their hearts. You don't lose attention because you are bad. You lose attention because the brain sees a signal which it doesn't trust, and that signal begins with your logo. Stay with me for a moment, because in seconds I will show you something most founders don't even see, and once you see it, it changes everything. When people see your logo, they try to answer questions in their mind. What level is this brand playing on? Is it high, medium, or low? Your logo decides long before your product does. The second question, do they take things seriously? Clean designs, yes. Messy designs, no. Third question, will be it safe to share my money and time with them? A stable logo, say yes. A shaky logo, say no. This decision happened fast. No thinking, just emotion. And this is why your first 3 seconds is more important than the next 3 minutes. Shape is the first thing the brain feels. Strong shapes feel stable. Balanced shape feel careful. Clear shapes feel safe. If your shape feels strong, your brand feels controlled. If your shape is random, your brand feels random. Shape is a visual body language. Before a person talks, colors is emotions, not a decoration. Warm colors feel humans. Deep colors feel premium. Soft color feel calm. Loud color feels cheap. The viewers don't say, I don't like this color. They just feel it, like they said in their mind, this is wrong. This don't feel good. Good emotions. Emotions give trust. Trust give attention. A color that feels off creates discomfort. A color that feels right creates comfort. And the comfort is a door to trust. And the trust is a door take you to be taken seriously. Before we move on, think about a brand you like it, but you don't know why. What you felt is not random, and soon you will know why that happened. The brain trust pattern. It feels random. If your logo feels different everywhere, if your color and font shift, the brain feels instability, and instability is a risk. But when your visuals repeat again and again, the brain feels these people know who they are. Consistency make memory. Memory create trust. Consistency is not boring, and stability irresistible to human mind. A strong logo guides the viewer. Clear and steady logo begins the emotional journey with your audience. This looks serious, this looks safe, this looks people who cares. Design is not a decoration. Design is a direction. There are a few moments in your business where this 3 seconds matters even more than usual. First moment, the cover of your presentation. When the investors open your presentation, they scan, they judge the level before they even read a single line. Second moment, your website hero section. Your logo, your headline, your call to action creates the whole emotional tone. Just 10 seconds. Let me give you a fast test that tells the truth clearly. Take your logo next to 3 strong brands in your category of business. Ask yourself, which looks stable, which looks premium, which looks trusted, which one I will give money to. Be honest with yourself. If your logo fails behind, you know now why people hesitate. This is not a failure, this is clarity. And clarity is the power. Now, let me give a checklist to you. 1. You don't need a full rebranding to increase trust. Clean spacing, simplifying the shapes, use strong typography, use a calmer cool, use more trust colors, stay consistent everywhere. These small steps give big shift in you. Each improvement says we care, and people trust brand who cares. Your logo isn't for you. Let me be honest with you. It is for the people, for your audience, for the customers who is going to buy from your brand. They must trust it, like in your investors, your partners, your viewers. Your logo shapes how they feel. When your visual handshake finally match the truth of your brand, everything changes. People will see differently, they hear you differently, they treat you differently. A strong logo doesn't pretend, it reveals your real worth, your value. So ask yourself right now, if someone sees your logo for 3 seconds today, what do they feel? Not what you want them to feel, what they actually. If the answer is not what you want, you now have the clarity.